What if I told you that the rice you eat every day hides secrets worth billions? Not just in the grains on your plate, but in the byproducts we often overlook. Rice isn't just food. It's an industrial powerhouse. Every kernel is part of a system that produces milled rice, broken rice, bran, husk, and straw, and each has untapped potential. Let's start at the beginning. Milling. Rice milling transforms rough paddy into polished white rice, the starchy, edible part that makes up 65-70% of the grain. Along the way, we also get broken rice, the tiny fragments under 80% of a whole kernel, rice husk, the protective shell making up 20% of the paddy, and rice bran, rich in oil, protein, and antioxidants. Even rice straw, the stalks left after harvest, has value as feed, biofuel, and fertilizer. The modern milling process is multi-stage. First, paddy is cleaned to remove stones, dust, and straw. Sometimes it's parboiled to improve nutrition and maximize head rice recovery. Then comes dehusking, producing brown rice and rice husk. Paddy separators sort out unprocessed grains, and whitening and polishing machines turn brown rice into white rice, producing rice bran in the process. Finally, grading separates head rice from broken rice, and the product is packaged for sale. Now here's where the real opportunity begins. Byproducts. Rice bran can feed livestock or be processed into premium rice bran oil, packed with vitamin E and antioxidants. It's also used in nutraceuticals, cosmetics, and protein-rich food additives. Rice husk, often burned as fuel, holds hidden potential. When processed correctly, it becomes rice husk ash, a green material for construction, increasing concrete strength and durability. High-purity silica extracted from husk feeds industries like rubber, solar panels, and specialty chemicals. Even briquettes and pellets made from husk generate clean energy. Broken rice feeds animals, but it also has industrial uses. Rice flour for baking, noodles, breakfast cereals, and fermented products like dosa or sake. Rice straw doesn't go to waste either. It can be livestock feed, soil mulch, biofuel, paper, or a substrate for mushroom production. Every byproduct is a revenue stream waiting to be tapped. And the market is massive. The global rice market today is estimated at $400 to $455 billion. Expected to reach $554 to $572 billion by 2030. Growing at 3.4 to 4.7% CAGR. Asia Pacific dominates, but Africa is the fastest growing region. What's driving this growth? Premium and specialty rice varieties, think basmati, jasmine, arborio, command higher prices. Fortified and functional rice is in demand as health-conscious consumers and governments push for micronutrient-enriched products. Traceability and sustainability are becoming essential, especially for exports. And the biggest shift? Byproducts are no longer waste, they're core revenue streams. Why consider entering this industry? Because it's not just about milling rice, it's about building a comprehensive processing hub. You diversify revenue streams, moving beyond head rice to broken rice, bran oil, and raha. You achieve near-zero waste, boosting sustainability credentials and attracting green funding. Margins are higher for value-added products like rice bran oil, specialty flour, and raha. And using rice husk for energy can make your operation self-sufficient, cutting costs dramatically. This is more than business. It's turning overlooked byproducts into profits, feeding industries, creating jobs, and reducing waste, all while feeding the world. With the right planning, technology, and market strategy, you can transform a staple food into a multi-billion-dollar ecosystem. And if you're ready to take the next step, you don't have to do it alone. With over 30 years of experience, we guide entrepreneurs through every stage, from market research and feasibility studies to equipment specifications, process diagrams, and financial planning. Our reports are custom-tailored, helping you enter the market with confidence and scale sustainably. This isn't just a rice business. It's a game changer. If you found this video valuable, let us know in the comments. And for more insights that turn opportunities into profits, hit like, share, and subscribe to our channel.